Hello everyone, and welcome to the project Image Steganography using Python with Tkinter and Pillow. In this project, we are going to learn how to hide secret data inside an image using Python, a technique known as steganography. This method allows us to securely store information like passwords, personal data, or important files inside images without changing their visible appearance. To get started, you need Python installed along with a code editor of your choice. We will be using Tkinter for designing the graphical user interface, which comes pre-installed with Python, and Pillow for image processing, which can be installed using a simple pip command. In today's digital world, security is very important, and remembering multiple strong passwords can be difficult. Instead of storing them in plain text, we can hide them inside images so that no one can easily detect them. The main concept behind this project is that every image is made up of pixels, and each pixel contains red, green, and blue values. By making very small changes to these values, we can encode our secret data without affecting the image quality. This project is divided into three main parts. First is designing the application using Tkinter, where we create buttons, labels, and layouts for user interaction. Second is the encoding process, where we convert our data into binary format and store it inside image pixels using a specific logic involving groups of pixel values and a flag system to mark the end of data. Third is the decoding process, where we extract the hidden data from the image, convert it back from binary, and display it to the user. Pillow helps us handle all image operations like opening, modifying, and saving images in different formats. Overall, this project helps you understand GUI development, image processing, and basic data security concepts. It may seem a bit complex at first, but once you understand the logic step by step, it becomes much easier to implement and even build your own variations of it. Thank you.